Hello everybody, it's Larry and welcome to 2 at 2. So what we're going to talk about today is how to create a working tree. So we're going to make a copy of an existing tree. So you go to trees, you get in the last one in the list right here at the bottom, it says create and manage trees. And then we're going to pick a tree, we're going to say manage tree over on the far right hand side, and then right here it says download your GEDCOM file. So I'm going to click download. Now if you haven't done it before, the GEDCOM won't be ready, and so I'll show you what that looks like. We'll pick a different tree, create and manage trees. We'll have one that we just uploaded here, 2020 working tree. We'll do manage trees, and it'll give you the option to export trees. So when you click on export tree, it will actually build this. It'll go from 0% completed up to 100% completed. So that we don't have to watch that one work, we're gonna go back over to the one that's already done. And it doesn't take that long, but what you'll do is it'll end up coming up with this green thing that says download your GEDCOM. Now, what you need to do here, instead of open with, what you want to do is click save file and click OK, and I'm going to recommend you save it to your desktop. Okay? Now, sometimes it won't give you an option. If you're using Firefox, right here at the top, you can click on that and it'll show you what you downloaded. You can see where I've downloaded it before. Okay? And if you're using Chrome, it'll be down here at the bottom. It'll pop up. All right. So now once you saved it to your desktop, we go back to the create and manage tree list, and you're going to, right here it says upload a GEDCOM file. And you're going to take that same file, you're going to choose it from your desktop. Okay, remember we just saved it to our desktop. We're going to click on that 2019 tree, and we're going to click here to upload it. Okay, so now it's got an upload. Type in a little note that it's a dirty working tree. And then maybe here, working tree, and then click you accept and click upload, and it will upload another tree and it will show up in your tree list.